Presenting at Sutton RV, the highly sought-after 2006 Airstream Safari 28SO. This Airstream stands out as one of the rare models featuring a slide-out, offering you extra space and comfort on your adventures. Step into the spacious living area, where the cozy couch invites you to relax and unwind. The versatile dinette is perfect for enjoying a meal or playing board games, and it conveniently converts into an additional bed. The kitchen is fully equipped for the cook, featuring a large double sink, a 3-burner stove, and a beautifully integrated microwave. You'll find all the modern conveniences you need, including a TV, AC, a large capacity fridge, and plenty of storage for your camping essentials. The roomy shower is designed to accommodate even the tallest campers. And the private bathroom adds an extra layer of comfort. Retreat to your private sanctuary with the queen bed, where you can rest and recharge for the next day's adventures. Don't miss your chance to own this unique Airstream with a slide-out. It's a rare find and won't last long.
Sutton RV, the road awaits. Join the family, it's never too late. From coast to coast, let's hit the ground with Sutton RV. Your adventures know no bounds.
Sutton RV, you're gonna like it here.